This code is a basic HTML structure for a personalized resume web page. It begins with the doctype HTML declaration, which tells the browser it's an HTML5 document. The HTML element wraps everything, and within the head, we define important metadata such as the character encoding, a responsive viewport for mobile devices, and a title that appears in the Browse tab. There are also a link to an external CSS file which can define the visual style of the page. Inside the body, the content is wrapped in a div with a class of resume which helps group that layout. The header section includes two parts: the name of the left and a placeholder for a profile photo on the right. The name is split into two lines using a break tag and a style with a snap. Below the name, the word student is displayed on the right. The image tag is used to show a profile picture. Right now is a placeholder image. Before the header, the resume splits into two main columns inside a content container. The left column class is equal to left holds personal information, while the right column class is equal to right holds educational and technical details. This two-column layout gives the resume a clean professional appearance and makes it easy to navigate. The left section starts with the profile section that briefly describes the candidate. It mentions that the person is a business administration student who is responsible and eager to gain experience. Below that, the contact section includes institution content details, phone number, email address, locations. Each line uses a different icon. In the right section, the first block is education, showing two instructions: Vishnu Institute of Technology and SR College, along with the respective timelines. Next is language, which lists the languages the candidate speaks: English, Telugu, and Hindi. Finally, under computer skills, the code lists technical skills such as C programming, basic Python, and knowledge of HTML and CSS, indicating some familiarity with web development. This code will be well structured for a simple professional resume website. However, it only defines the HTML, this content and layout, and refills on the style. CSS file to make everything visually appealing with a CSS added. This resume can be styled with colors, fonts, and spacing and layout adjustment to look polished and ready for job application. Replacing the placeholder image and tailing the rest would complete it for real world use. What is selected selects the foundation of the page. It uses the serif font for a formal look. Remove default margins and padding and sets a soft being background color. Slash F9, F5, F2. The text color is a dark gray. Slash 202020, which ensures good readability. The dot is resume color class centers the main content using margin 20 px. Also sets a maximum width of 900 px and adds a white background with a separate box shadow to create a clean card-like appearance. Header layout. In the dot header section, display flex arrange the name and photo side by side, justify content space between, space them apart, and align items center vertically aligns them. The background color is a warm big slash E8 D0 BB and padding clear spacing inside. Name and photo. The name dot name h1 style sets a large font size for the name, removes default margin and makes the surname bold using a nested span. The dot photo image shows the profile picture to be 100 into 100 pixels, round conveyed with a border and cropped neatly with object fit cover. The dot the dot content container is also a flexible, allowing the dot left and dot right column to sit side by side, each taking up 50% with the padding. Add space within each column, making the layout feel balanced. All sections can get a bottom spacing. H2 headers are styled to be uppercase with a line underneath for visual separation and slightly smaller font size for a minimalized aesthetic.